Now, since that last video, if Yanni didn't mind me, I'm just gonna go back to making my epic 3D print, something he'll never learn to do. What the heck is going on there? This was an old model that I tried to print, and it failed because these little rings were too small, so I have to make them thicker. And that's what I'm currently doing, and I decided to film it. Because, again, I don't know what to do. I'm out of ideas, and I'm bored. So I'm just going to work on this. Alright, that's good. I am not going to show Yanni how to make a 3D print. I am not showing him. And I'm not showing Runny either, because he'll probably just tell them. So we gotta go bonk, bink, and then, again, I don't know what's happening there. Bum bum bum. Bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Okay, I gotta do something about the tail edge. And this is as big as it gets. If I make it any bigger, it'll give an error. But I could probably make the head a little bit bigger. I think it worked. Okay. No, those can stay. So Yanni will not only not understand how big of an impact Michael Jackson made on music, and he'll never understand how to 3D print, because he's too broke to afford a 3D printer. He's just way too broke to even afford one. And Yanni's the kind of person that would tell someone depressed to be happy, or just bully them. Like, that's literally Yanni in a nutshell. He'd tell someone depressed to be happy. Actually, no, he wouldn't even bother to tell them to be happy. He'd just bully them, and then expect them to be happy about it. Because he's actually causing depression. Because he's getting good people's friends banned off the platform like what just happened to me. Dummy. But this is about 3D printing. Not no dumb cockroach. Probably the last thing I'm about to say about Yanni. He's building a cockroach. Like, this man's profile avatar is what I call it, is literally built like a cockroach. Gonna add a little thing. What the heck? What? And I'm gonna add a little thingy-majiggy. I think I'm done. Yeah, I think I'm done. Wait, can I make it all thick? 247 shapes. Whoops. Alright, there we go. It's saved. Praise the Lord. I'm gonna make the head a little bit longer, and I think I'm done. Wait, hold on, it's all locked. Bonk. Okay, now these arms look too small. The Leviathan in Kaiju Battlegrounds has tiny little arms. So it probably wouldn't. You know what? No. I'm gonna make his arms. I'm gonna make his main arms bigger. Alright, there we go. There we go. Gotta make his arm bigger. And I go bonk. Okay. Bonk. And there we go. I'm done. There we go. It only took 6 minutes to finish it. Now we just gotta group the parts. That took very long. That didn't take very long. Whoa! Why is it red? Is it grouped? What the heck did I do to it? Yeah, it's grouped. That's weird. Alright, I'll catch you all in a little bit.